Hello everyone, this is Jim Okrasinski with your week 6 screencast video. So as I mentioned here, this semester is moving along rather quickly. We're in week 6 in this 8-week course. So we're finishing up chapter 3 with the double entry journal, working with the source material. And we're moving into chapter 4, which is all about drafting the research essay. Let's get to the discussion board work for this week. Get the discussion boards here. Okay, so discussion board number 4 is an interesting activity. You can read about it in the Curious Researcher. There is a template here to help you with the table format, the 2 columns, the left and the right. This is basically designed to get you thinking away, well, more so about an audience and some of the questions that a person, somewhat like Dave, would be asking about your research topic. So you want to be aware of some of the questions here. This is a conversation, so I'm expecting engagement. This isn't one sentence answers, all right? So text boxes can expand. I'm looking you to, let's start preparing your research topic for an audience and what people might want to read about your particular topic. So that's exercise 4.1. Now the real one that's really important at the end of the week is exercise 4.3 in the textbook. It's writing multiple leads. This is where Ballinger describes 8 or 9 different types of openings for a research paper. The idea here is for you to take 3 leads, as it mentions in the exercise, for a bit of a test drive. I want you to try 3 of the openings, the strategies there. Actually write the 3 leads that like they would appear in your research essay, and then decide which one you like best and tell us all how and why you like it best. And that would actually hopefully lead your introduction for the first draft of the research paper that's coming up, I believe, in week 7. So we're coming down to it. So these 2 activities might seem a little bit like busy work, but if you're using them to center your thoughts on your topic and what you want to say, at the same time, actually write a opening for your research essay. That would be a good activity there for those 2 discussion boards, all right? Also, in this week's lecture video, I'll talk about the final research essay assignment. It is in the week 6 course unit, the weekly module, I should say. You might want to take a look at some of the requirements and the dates on this. It covers not only the first draft, but then the final draft here. So this is what we'll be working on, working through some of the information for the research essays that I'll take up the next couple of weeks. I believe I linked to the principles of citation. I'll grab this in another video later on as we move into the drafting of the research essay, the first draft. All right. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email.